Brilliant, and today I'm doing the Ice Bucket Challenge for the second time. The reason being, I'm very reluctantly doing this Ice Bucket Challenge this time because I lost a bet with my daughter, and I said to her if she got an A for her exam that I would do the Ice Bucket Challenge, obviously thinking that she wouldn't get an A, and she got an A+. So I have to do the Ice Bucket Challenge twice today, 2 buckets, so I've got a lot of nominees. And the nominees are all the DJs at Two Oceans Vibe, including Bailey, the Dirty Mexican, and Abstract Aimee. The second lot of people is all the teachers at Grace Trinity School for Girls, and the third lot of people is all the contestants at Strictly Come Dancing SA. So here goes. Whoa!
Just wait, here comes another one.
My face is gonna freeze off. Whoa! Oh no, that was really cold.
Are you crying?
Yes, that was terrible. Now you all better do it. I did it twice. Ah! Oh, my face. You put it right on my forehead, Megan.
Sorry.
Right, you can switch off now. That's really bad. That's really bad. That really hurts. Let's switch off then. Switch off. Holy cannoli. Blimey, that's cold. Listen, if I get a cold from this, Megan, you're nursing me back to health. Stop it, switch off. Look at all this ice that hit my forehead. No wonder I was crying. Damn, that was cold.